Hey YouTube, this is a kind of an overview of a food plot extension that we're doing. And admittedly, this is kind of a filler video. We're waiting for tractor parts to continue on those videos. I got the sleeves and the pistons and some other parts in. Still waiting on the um, rod bearings. Those will be in shortly. So we started extending one of our food plots here. This is the middle food plot, and our plan is to extend this all the way down to the creek. As you can see, we have a lot of cedar trees to cut down, and this is just the beginning of it. We didn't have a whole lot of time, um, so this is just us cutting down trees.
Grapevine, man. cut it up there. Okay. Cut that other one. Might be getting close. Cutting these trees down. Where do you think it's going to go?
I was you.
Think it's going to go that way? Well, I wasn't going to knock it.
Yeah, I think it's going to change.
Yeah, probably.
The first will change, so then we'll start
As you can see, looking for your left to right here, we're starting with the small stuff. We're going to get to the big stuff later. As the camera turns around, we got this very big clump here to the left of the screen. That's a big job, and we want to extend this food plot all the way down towards the bottom of the screen.